If you own or just look for a Vision Metron 5D ACR handlebar, then you know it features a solid computer mount. But what about a powerful light? Is there a solid way to mount it either? I think there is. A Garmin Outfront mount suggests keeping a light right underneath your computer. I used this solution on another bike of mine with a classic round handlebar. There's an extruding Garmin quarter-turn plate on the bottom of the mount. You take such a Garmin adapter, pop it on, click, and that's it. Now you have a classic friction mount for a light or even an action camera. But getting back to 5D ACR handlebar, we don't find any matching means to secure an accessory on the bottom of the computer mount. Why not to mount a light directly on the handlebar then, you ask? Well, most of the mounts are designed for classic round handlebars, and even if you found a matching one with a sort of a flexible band, would it really be at home with this wing-shaped aero surface? Probably it won't. It seems we are getting back to the Vision computer mount. Let's see if we could enhance it a little bit. First, unscrew the mount. And here comes a small aftermarket part which will help us. I took it from Amazon under a name Bicycle Combo Mount Adapter. They can be found under different names, different brands, with different shapes and colors, but the idea is the same. I won't advertise a certain one, but if you need a link for such an adapter, let me know in the comments. The important thing is just to have 20mm distance between the mounting holes. Next, you'll need a couple of longer screws to replace the original ones. They are DIN 7991 standard with M3 thread. I went for 12mm long, but the optimal size depends on your adapter. And a couple of matching nuts. I went for self-locking ones. You can see the blue plastic rings inside. $2mm hex key, and we are ready to go. The original nuts sit inside their dedicated plastic grooves, so we can simply unwind the screws with a hex key. The original screws are 8mm long. I remind that I took 12mm ones for replacement. An idea is to have enough protrusion of the new screws. We simply make use of the protruding screw ends to mount the adapter. Wind the nuts a bit. Now tighten the screws. We could actually use the original nuts. They have the same M3 thread, but they are not self-locking. I cannot recommend tightening the screws the way I do here. The right way would be a matching 5.5mm spanner to hold the nut. I don't have such a spanner now and must use a workaround. The good thing, these nuts are self-locking, and moderate tightening force should be enough. Done! Here comes the light. Back to the handlebar. Pop in a computer. Ready to go. This is not the only way to mount such a light, of course. You can make use of alternative adapters and mounting plates as well. But I hope this gives you an idea. Enjoy your cycling, be fast but safe.